Hi guys, today I'm doing a quick update video. So yeah, Easter's coming up. When Easter ends, I am taking my Easter merch coming until next year, March. In March next year, I'll put my bunny shirt on into the group store as well. I made one for you on my group store. And yeah guys, I'm just back from holiday. Yeah. This video is going to be a little bit quick. I got 78 friends. Mr. Monkey is not like mine. Okay. So, yeah. Subscribe to Mr. Monkey on YouTube. Yeah. Okay. So, Mr. Monkey is a YouTuber called Mr. Monkey TV. So, yeah, he made his account. Woo! Okay, everyone, let's just right into it. Okay, everyone, we just need to go. Okay, ultimate cake. Come on, isn't it? Until we go to hang out. For this Easter friendship. Ultimate cake. Monster one, ultimate cake buster run. Subscribe to Not4 Players. Yeah, baby. Yeah, let's just get a hangout now, and I'll see you. So, guys, I need to do my intro like in 2 minutes, in a few minutes time. Yeah, let's play Roblox. Let's just do something on Roblox. Also, when we just hit 10 subscribers, I will get you a free 6 mini Robux gift card away. Here's this idea. But, hey Jarwell, how are you today? Hello Jarwell26, I just got yeah. Guys, I think this could be it in today's video. I need to do my intro outro. Bye! Hey everyone, I'm just back from my holiday. Tomorrow's video is all about trains video, but I need to go now, so bye. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's leave right now. Bye.